Are you looking for a beautiful pool home in a prestigious golf community? Whether you're looking to play a round of golf on a championship golf course or dine in the clubhouse, we've got the house for you. Welcome to 3607 Mallow Drive in Ormond Beach, Florida. Let's check it out. Thank you for checking out 3607 Mallow Drive with us today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, give us a call. I'm Heather Mackersey.
And I'm Chrissy Fabian with Simply Real Estate.
We'll see you at the next one.